Hey there, this is a quick video to show you what my classroom looks like and how I organize it every week. This is the stream. I only use the stream if there's an announcement I need to use during the week. The other thing that I use the stream for is the morning of their Zoom meeting. I post a reminder to come to the Zoom meeting and I post the link to where they can find the Zoom in classwork, and I'll show you why I do that. Okay, so here's my classwork page. This up here stays here the entire year. These are materials and information that I think they might need for the whole year. This year I'm introducing the signpost method of close reading, so I put the signpost chart up there so it's always there for them. We are about to start week 6, so I haven't published it yet. That's why it's gray, but every single week I post an announcement, and that includes a Google Doc that gives them all the assignments for the week. And that's so if they want to print it out and keep it by their desk, they can. I don't know how many of them actually do, but they can. And then I also create a weekly video explaining what we're doing. So I do have students with IEPs who need verbal instructions or repeated instructions. So by doing this, it helps me address their needs. But a lot of students really need the explanation orally, so I like to include that for them as well. And I try to post everything by Saturday, so I'm just getting ready to do that now, and that's just to provide flexibility for my students so that if they want to get started on something early, they can. But you can see below I have all of the other assignments, my weekly announcements. Now, what I do for my Zoom meetings is I have the same link every week to my Zoom meeting. However, sometimes I want them to open Google Docs before they come to class. So what I do there is I will attach the whatever I want them to have open before they come to class on the Zoom meeting link. So in the stream, what I do in the morning for class is I'll come and I'll click the 3 dots and I'll say copy link. And what that does is now I can link them directly to this page. So I'll go to the stream and I'll put a reminder, hey, don't forget, we have our Zoom meeting this morning. Please open the Google Doc attached to the assignment before you come. And what I'll do then is I'll just link them to where they can find the Zoom link and the Google Doc. So that is just helpful for them in the morning. A lot of them use Google Classroom on their phone, so it will ding their phone and remind them they have a meeting, a Zoom meeting. And secondly, it directs them to the classwork page, which is really where I want them to go most of the time. And it directs them to the Zoom link and the Google Doc that I want them to open. So this is what my classroom looks like from the teacher point of view. And let me know if you have any questions about why I do it the way I do it.